So just to recap, this is the Endeavor NLS 12 amp HEPA filter Eureka never lose suction upright vacuum, with all put back together with the little lever switch removed. Here is what it looks like with it, without it. There it is. And it's plugged up. All you gotta do is put your little finger in there, push down on this little button, which won't, can't really see it, but it's there. On. And that's off. So, there you go. That removes this little piece of garbage that doesn't work and is a pain. You have to maybe bend over and reach down in there, and it kind of gets a little warm from the motor that's right here, blowing out hot air, but it's not going to hurt you. There's no sort of electricity flowing through this little plastic switch top that's there, so don't worry about it. It's just a little warm. Yep. There you go. Bye.